Hello everyone, my name is Yavuz Selim Yavrucu. I'm a freshman electronical and electronics engineering student at Bilkent University, and today I will present you my experiment, which is about factors affecting an object's acceleration on an inclined plane. My experiment is based on Newton's famous formula F equals ma, and it will consist of two parts. For the first part, I will adjust the mass of the object to see if it has an impact on the acceleration of the object. And for the second part, I will change the inclination object under the air table to see if it changed the acceleration of the object. My expectation for the first part of the experiment is mass do not affect the acceleration of the object, as in theory acceleration equals gravitational acceleration times the sine value of the angle between the air table and the surface. Therefore, for the second part, I expect acceleration to increase proportionally to the sine value. My equipment for this experiment are a ruler, air table with its accessories, a balance, weights to add on the puck, and wedges with different inclines. For the first part of my experiment, I will use an inclination object which will give the table a 0.1 slope. The mass of the puck I will use in this experiment is 436 grams. Now I released the puck. Then I added some weights on the puck, which made its mass 628 grams, and released the puck with the same inclination angle as before. For the second part of my experiment, I again used the inclination object with a slope of 0.1 and released the puck from the top of the air table. For the second drop, I changed the inclination angle with a slope of 0.16 and finally dropped the puck. By looking at the results of my experiment, the error rate for the first part between the expected value and the experimental value is about 1.3%, and for the second part, this error rate is about 7.2%. These errors might have happened because of the friction force or human mistakes, such as wrong measurements of time and distance, also because of the change of gravitational acceleration of the Earth. In conclusion, although there were some errors, we can say that by looking at the results and data, the mass of the object does not affect the acceleration of the object, and the acceleration of the object increases proportionally to the inclined angle.